Does it? Don't have time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Baking with Sharon, and happy Super Bowl night. I know it is the Super Bowl, and they're currently playing. I do have it on, but currently I have it on mute so I can talk to you all. So happy Super Bowl. I hope you are enjoying yourself with your families. And tonight I have a very special guest. As you see, I have Miss Brittany.
Hey.
Hi, Brittany. So glad to have you.
Thank you for inviting me.
Brittany is a co-worker of mine. So Brittany, would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself? And while she's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get logged on so I can see who's joining.
Well, I just moved here from Oklahoma. I have a twin sister named Whitney. I hope she's watching.
Whitney, where are you?
Yeah, Whitney, where are you? I don't know.
That's it?
That's it for now.
She is a very nice young lady, very pleasant to work with. And we're so glad to have her here in Gainesville. So let me go ahead and give out some reminders. Please remember to share and let your family and friends know that we are on. Although the Super Bowl is on, we have to continue with the show. So if you will let your family and friends know that we are on. And don't forget to share. And we will be giving away 2 movie tickets tonight. We have a very special trivia question towards the end of the show. And I'll just give you a little hint. This is Black History Month, and it's also the Super Bowl. So just keep that in mind. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started because tonight we have 2 items that we're going to make on tonight. We're making some brown fried rice and cabbage, and we're also making some black bean soup. This is the start of our, well, tomorrow is actually the start of our 21 days of wellness. So for the next few weeks, we're just going to give you some recipes and dishes that you can enjoy while you are on the 21 days of wellness. So if you have not text me or sent me an inbox that you're interested in joining, there is still time. So if you can go 21 days, or if you decide that you only want to go 10 days, just let us know. But we'll try and keep you informed about the different recipes. So let me see who is on this evening. Hi, Valerie. Hi, Maxine. Hi, Janice. We have Anthony, Brittany, Sarah.
It's a Brittany like me. Hey, Brittany.
Actually, there are 2 Brittany's.
Oh, hey,
There's a Brittany Hodge.
Shout out to the Brittany.
Were you there when Brittany Hodge worked with us?
No,
okay.
So.
Well, Brittany wasn't. There's another Brittany. She is on as well. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Punch. Hello, I'm Tracy. Thank you all for joining us on this evening. And tonight I'm going to put Brittany in the driving seat. The first thing that we're going to make is the black bean soup. So it takes a little while. We want it to get the soup going. And in these 2, we're going to let it cook for about 30 minutes or so. And while that is cooking, we're going to start on the fried brown rice and cabbage. So you ready to get started, Brittany?
I'm ready.
All right, so let's go. All right, so we're going to turn up the pot a little bit. Let's remove the lid. Excuse me. So if you turn the pan up just a little bit. And during the 21 days of wellness, you can use olive oil. So I'm going to ask Brittany if she put some olive oil in the pan. Let me wash my hand right quick.
Not too much, though.
Let me see. That's a good amount. That's a good amount. All right, so we're going to turn it up just a little bit more. We're going to start with sauteing some onions. We're going to use the sweet onions and also green onions and peppers to start the soup. So if you can go ahead and put some, let me give you another spoon here.
It smells so good already.
You know how you have your think you have everything out and you don't? So if you put half of the onions and half of the bell peppers and also the green onions in, let me turn it up a little bit more just so it can get going here. Hi, Edie. Hi, Katura. A little bit more onions, a bit more onions. Hi, Jacqueline. Thank you all for joining. Thank you. And a lot of the ingredients that we're using tonight, we're going to use the same ingredients in our soup, because if you're doing the 21 days of wellness, there are a lot of herbs and spices that you will use continuously throughout the process. Hi Katrina, hi Lindria, hi Callie, hi Deidre. All right, so our pot is warming up still. So while we're doing that, next week we will have, we're gonna make some wheat crackers. We're making some wheat crackers from scratch. And also, I can't remember my other dish. I always can't remember one of them, but it'll come back to me, so we'll be reminded of that. All right, so let's use this spoon here. Yeah, my mother says always use a wooden spoon with your pots. Always use a wooden spoon. Whenever I get ready to cook, I'm not lying. I think about my mother saying use that wooden spoon.
Mother knows best.
Mother knows best. So I hope you all had a chance to spend some time with your families this weekend. We had a great time spending time with family on yesterday. My cousin who was on the show I think it was back in December, John, he'll get me for saying John. He has a brother named John. My cousin Lee Stevens lost his wife, and sometimes when those different things happen, that's when family comes together. So we had a great time with spending time with them on yesterday, and also on today, we had great family time today at my mom's house. So great family. Hope you are spending time with your family as well. All right, so the veggies are sauteing. Just continue to give it a stir yet. We want them to cook really good. And I love the smell of onions when they are sauteing.
I like the smell of peppers.
Peppers?
Bell peppers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we have different color bell peppers as well. We have the red, yellow. What else color? Green?
Green.
Yeah. Hi, Verna. Thanks for joining. Hi, Tracy. All right. So, and the other ingredients that we're going to add, we're going to go ahead and add some garlic. That's minced garlic.
You can't go wrong with garlic.
Can't go wrong with garlic. We love garlic.
It just set the whole...
More aroma.
Yes.
Ooh, it's smelling so good in here right now. So we're also going to add some red pepper and some cumin and also some cilantro. You can go ahead and just pour that in.
I was about to say time, but I'm like, nope, I don't see any.
No, I didn't get any thyme. But you can add thyme in it as well. And another thing that you can use on the 21 Days of Wellness is sea salt. We're not going to use the regular salt. We're going to use sea salt. But we're going to wait a little bit before we put the sea salt in. Hi, Barbara. How are you? Okay, we're going to go ahead and add our corn. And this is fresh corn that I cut off the cob. So it's about a cup of corn. Tonight we are making black bean soup, and we're going to be making fried brown rice with cabbage. And the fried brown rice with cabbage is one of my favorite things to eat whenever I'm going through the 21 Days of Wellness. That's one of my favorite things. It tastes like the regular fried rice. You can also use soy sauce. I have it on the back counter there, but you can use soy sauce. And it is yummy, yummy to my tummy. It is so delicious.
This will be my first time trying it. But I know everything you be cooking be good. So I trust you.
She get to taste some things I take to work. Hi, Deborah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and also add some tomatoes, some fresh tomatoes. Need some more oil?
Yeah.
And you see how colorful that is and all the different veggies? I think I can eat that like it is right now. Hi, Michelle. Yes, you can use canned corn. I would probably rinse drain it and then rinse it off with some water. So the canned corn is fine. All right, so the next thing we're going to add the black beans. Now the black beans, these are not black beans. These are Great Northern beans. But I use the dry black beans, and I let the beans soak overnight in water. So whenever you're going to use dry beans, always let them soak in water overnight or for at least 2 or 3 hours. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pour the black beans in.